Learn how to pour ink. Open the scanning unit cover. The following is an example for the gray ink. Open the tank cap on the left. Holding the ink bottle upright, twist and remove the bottle cap. Fit the tip of the ink bottle into the inlet on the printer. Hold the ink bottle straight upside down and push in the bottle. Please wait until all the ink is poured. Close the tank cap. Pour the black ink in the same way. Pour the color ink in the same way. Close the scanning unit cover. Select Yes, then press the OK button. The procedure for pouring ink is now complete.